Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Elise. Welcome back. I'm back with a new video. So I have a new wig from Unice and they can be found on Amazon. I will have all the links, details, and information located in the info section below. So for this wig, I wanted something that was super easy, something I can just throw on and go. So I decided to get this wear and go bang bob wig, and this is what the cap construction looks like. As usual, I like to go ahead and put the wig on just to let you guys see exactly how I received my Amazon wig and to kind of further look at it to figure out if anything needs to be done. Now this wig does have lace towards the top, giving this a very realistic appearance, but for the most part I'm just going to be flat ironing this wig straight. I don't like the bumped ends when it comes down to bobs. For whatever reason, I just like a nice blunt cut bob. It's just my preference, but for the most part I'm just going to be flat ironing this wig straight. Now a little information about my wig: this is one of their wear and go, throw on and go bang bob wigs. This is also glueless. My wig is 12 inches long. It does have that 3x1 inch high definition lace, giving you a more realistic appearance. It's beginner friendly, so if you're not too familiar with wigs, this is definitely a nice starter wig. This wig is 100% human hair. It has adjustable straps, and if you guys use my discount code Unice Wig, you can save some cash, so be sure to use that discount code when you head over to Amazon. So this wig is so easy. I literally didn't even wash it. I just flat ironed it straight, and now I'm putting it on. Now this wig literally only takes just a few seconds to put it on. You don't have to worry about gluing anything or making sure this is here and that's there. Nope, I just adjusted the adjustable strap in order to get a custom fit, and pretty much we are good. Now you can throw on a little bit of foundation in the parting space to make that look a little more scalp realistic. However, I didn't do anything like that. I'm just kind of cleaning it up with my flat iron just to make sure that it's conformed to my actual head shape, and we are pretty much ready to go. It just comes together so easily, so nicely. Now you guys don't pay too much attention to the top of the wig because I did use a little bit of my wax stick in order to get everything to conform to my head shape, and it did kind of reflect the light. Now I'm filming this video at nighttime, so I have my light on my ceiling on, so it's beaming down at the top of the wig, but I promise you guys it is not that shiny. Now if it does look a little shiny when you put it on, just use a little bit of dry shampoo or like a little bit of baby powder, and that will tone right down. You don't have to worry or anything like that. But once again, this wig does come from Unice. I will have all of the information and details located in the info section below. Now this wig currently is $74.99, and they do have a 5% off discount when you head over to Amazon. So y'all, this wig is so cheap and it's so easy, so quick. This is definitely something that I will put into my luggage and take with me on a trip. Just a cool, quick way to switch up my look, and it looks really cute. It's super summer appropriate. Y'all need to get this wig right here. But once again, this wig does come from Unice. Use my discount code UniceWig to save some cash. Let me know what you guys think about this wig, and I'll talk to you guys on the next video. Bye guys.